My name is Brane with JTech Medical. We've got some exciting news coming up here with some live events and webinars. So with that said, I want to turn it over to Erik Groberg, our clinical director for JTech Medical.
It's Brian. So as Brian mentioned, I am the clinical director for JTech Medical. I've been with the company about 12 years. And really my background and focus is on occupational medicine, ergonomics, occupational injury prevention. And so this exciting live event that we're going to be putting on is really going to be focusing on that area of, being able to offer occupational medicine related services directly to employers. So part of the content of that seminar will be going over pre-employment post-offer exams and the benefits to employers in offering post-offer testing to new hires and the cost savings to employers. It's also going to cover the nuts and bolts of job site analysis, which job site analysis is being able to accurately identify what the physical demands are associated with the job and allows you to then do an accurate, comprehensive post-offer that tests to those job demands and how they're related. And then also part of this special occupational medicine seminar will be Dr. Raker, Dr. James Raker will be presenting at that seminar. And for those of you who don't know Dr. Raker, he's the CEO of OccMed for DCs, which that's a teaching platform specifically for chiropractors in assisting them to help work with companies to offer, again, these occupational medicine services.
Well, thank you for that intro, Erik. Yes, I am James Raker with OccMed for DCs. I help DCs learn about occupational medicine and how they can work with companies. I have used JTech equipment for probably over 20 years, so I am proud to be part of this presentation with JTech. And I'm the guy where the rubber meets the road. I teach you the how, what, when, why, and where of working with companies, using this equipment, getting paid really well. And all the occupational services are cash. There is no insurance involved. So all DCs should like this. You can do it in all 50 states. No questions asked there. It's part of scope of practice. So hopefully this is going to be very beneficial for everyone involved. And I'll let Dano tell you a little bit more about the special bonus that's coming up on these presentations.
Well, great. Thank you. Between Erik and Dr. Raker, you will walk away from this webinar and seminar with all the knowledge that you'll need to be effective at occupational medicine. However, one of the biggest challenges we found is, how do you find your customers? How do you find those clients? That's exactly what I'm going to help you with. How do you do the marketing and how do you attract them? I'll share some secrets from my book I wrote about marketing. I'll also share some other secrets that no one's heard yet. So you'll be in for a real treat, and we will help you find those customers that you need to grow your practice.
And that really is the biggest obstacle I found with people landing employer accounts, is that missing link in the marketing. So this is going to be a great event where not only are you going to come away with the knowledge, but that hands-on understanding of how to market those services directly to employers. So something we're very excited about.
Yep, thank you guys. That's a lot of great information, and hope everybody's looking forward to that. So please save the date for November 15th and November 16th for the live seminar. We'll provide more information to follow on that, and we'll also be hosting some live webinars as well. So please keep an eye out for that invitation.
Hope to see you all there.
Yeah, see you all there.
Okay.
See you there.
Thank you guys.
All right.